What's up? Today I'm at Best Buy. Best Buy! Well, yeah, we're at Best Buy. So, I told you guys I was going to make Star Wars today. I am going to do that. I am also going to have another video today. I'm going to ask my mom to record a video of me at Jumpology. I don't know if she's going to do it though. Last time I asked her, she said yes, but then we went there this morning and it was closed until 11:30. So it's like 10 something away. I don't even have a watch. So it's like 10:40. No. It's like 10:10. Yeah, I'm on 10. Look at these heaters. Don't even look like a heater. Don't even freaking look like a heater. What's this? Wait, is it a heater? Is it a heater? I'm not even sure if it's a heater. Oh well. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's heater. Alright, hold on, guys. I'm going. Okay, so, yeah, I am gonna make a video. I'm just looking around to kill some time, because it opens at 11:30, and it's 10 something. I need to get a GoPro. Where are they? Here they are, right here. Yeah. They're like $400. I don't have that much money. If you want to buy stuff, don't go here. Too much. Don't y'all think I need a refrigerator in my gaming room? A refrigerator, an oven, a microwave, wouldn't that be awesome? Toasters. I can cook up there. I can cook my own pancakes. Look at this ladder. Such a beautiful ladder. I wonder if I can fit inside. Oh, no, can't even open it. Never mind. Can I fit inside this one? Yes, I can. Nope. Can't get inside. Nope. A vacuum. You gotta be kidding me. There's a freaking vacuum. Look. A vacuum. I need this. Let me go tell my mom I need this. Where is she? Mommy? Mommy? Where are you? Mommy? Mommy? What? I'm looking at vacuums. Vacuums. I know that.
You need to come on.
I didn't see what the text said.
It said, come on.
Oh, where are we going, home?
No, we're going the other way.
Oh, we're going
out.
Oh.
We're going
Okay,
out.
goodbye, guys.